Dining tables. Extendable dining tables are a versatile and practical solution for modern households, catering to varying needs for space-saving and accommodating guests. Whether you live in a small apartment, host frequent gatherings. List 1. Funrolux Folding Dining Table with Rack. The Funrolux Folding Dining Table is a versatile option that adapts seamlessly to various needs. Its 3 configuration modes, console, half open, and fully extended, make it ideal for small apartments or multifunctional spaces. The marble textured tabletop adds a touch of elegance, while its sturdy plywood construction ensures durability. With dimensions of 60 inches long by 31.5 inches wide by 28 inches high when fully open, it comfortably seats up to 7 people. The inclusion of 2 storage drawers and a rack enhances its utility, offering ample space for everyday items. Performance-wise, the Funrolux table stands out for its smooth mobility, thanks to 4 swivel casters, 2 with brakes. However, assembly requires a power drill and patience, as the instructions can be slightly complex. Users appreciate its stability and compact design, but the lack of stain resistance on the tabletop is a drawback. This table is best suited for individuals seeking a stylish, multifunctional solution for small spaces. List 2. Extendable Drop-Leaf Folding Dining Table with 2 drawers. The CommuHome Extendable Drop-Leaf Folding Dining Table is a premium choice, offering a balance of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Its plywood tabletop and iron legs provide durability, while the waterproof coating ensures easy cleaning. Fully extended, it measures 60.2 inches long by 31.5 inches width by 28.5 inches height, and seats up to 8 people, making it perfect for hosting guests. The 2 storage drawers and bottom shelf add practicality, allowing you to store folding chairs or kitchenware. This table excels in stability and style, with its natural wood finish complementing modern and farmhouse interiors. The assembly process is straightforward, though chairs must be purchased separately. While its price is on the higher side, the durability and storage capacity make it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize quality and long-term use. List 3. Signature Design by Ashley Wildenauer Farmhouse Dining Extension. The Signature Design by Ashley Wildenauer Dining Table is a farmhouse-inspired option that combines rustic charm with modern functionality. Its self-storing butterfly leaf allows for seamless extension, accommodating up to 8 people. Constructed with hardwood solids and mango wood veneer, the table is sturdy and visually appealing. The 2-tone finish, black frame and deep brown tabletop adds a sophisticated touch. While the table is durable and stylish, its assembly process can be challenging, requiring 2 people and additional tools. Users have noted that the table's weight, 135.3 pounds, makes it less mobile compared to other models. Additionally, the lack of drawers or storage features limits its versatility. This table is best suited for those seeking a robust, farmhouse-style centerpiece for their dining area. List 4. Foldable Space-Saving Dining Table Extendable. The Zenharmit Foldable Space-Saving Dining Table is a budget-friendly option with impressive functionality. Fully extended, it measures 60 inch times 31.5 inch times 28.5 inch and seats up to 8 people. Its drop-leaf design allows for compact storage, transforming into a console table when folded. The waterproof plywood tabletop and iron legs ensure durability, while the built-in drawer and shelf provide convenient storage for chairs and kitchenware. Despite its affordable price, the Zenharmit table does not compromise on quality. Its lightweight design, 70 pounds, makes it easy to move, while the lockable casters ensure stability. However, the assembly process can be time-intensive, and the tabletop thickness, 0.75 inches, may feel less substantial compared to premium models. This table is ideal for budget-conscious buyers seeking a practical, space-saving solution. List 5. Signature Design by Ashley Haven Plain Rustic Distressed. The Signature Design by Ashley Haven Plain Dining Table is a standout choice for those who need a larger seating capacity. With 2 removable center leaves, it extends to a maximum length of 108 inches and seats up to 10 people. Its distressed pine veneer finish and double trestle base exude rustic charm, making it a perfect fit for casual rustic interiors. Solid wood stretcher adds stability to this robust design. While the Haven Plain table offers unmatched seating capacity, its counter height, 36.25 inches, may not suit all users. Additionally, its weight, 180 pounds, makes it difficult to move, and assembly requires significant effort. This table is best suited for large households or those who frequently host gatherings and value a rustic aesthetic.